you guys, I quickly want to do this video to show you what you can get for 75 cents. You heard me correctly. The original price on this was $6.99. As you can see, this is Barbie, so it's name brand. I paid 75 cents, and I'm gonna tell you how to do it. Now, all you gotta do is go to Walgreens and look at the orange tags, and they'll tell you what toys are on sale for half off, which would be $3.49. Okay, I already had my rewards, my Walgreens rewards, and I used $3 of that. And so all I paid out of pocket for this is 75 cents. Okay, you guys? So make sure you check your reward points, or however you're supposed to say it, and you use them. And yeah, so this is a good way to stock up on your supplies, your toys for your Easter gift baskets. Okay, just want to tell you guys and let y'all know. All right.